If the life you are currently living does not satisfy you, this is because you didn't envision the life you desire 3 years, 5 years ago. If this life continues on for a further 3 years, 5 years, or even into old age, and you believe that you will feel unhappy, then you have to imagine life that is not miserable in your head. Once you start to vividly envision, then every situation will change. There will certainly be a change. I once said this before. When I see a group of 20, 30 people have gathered, I'm going to tell them this place will be swarming with people. I am building a food cluster factory in my head. Currently, we are building a hall that can accommodate up to 7,000 people when holding a big event. Our headquarters will transform into a magnificent building by next spring. And there is a huge swimming pool on the first floor. There are no designated desks, so when you come to work, you can just sit wherever you want. I am determined to receive the Architecture Award of the Republic of Korea, as our ultimate goal is to receive an award greater than that. I told everyone we will become a global company. We will connect all countries. There will come a time when the entire world will be connected through one network. And what happened in reality? Did it not come true? That is why now Atomy is ready to expand into the global market. We have to reach out to Colombia. We are now ready to reach into Mexico too. India, Russia, and then to Turkey. We will enter into mainland China. We made this company Atomy a success, and we are nurturing countless numbers of leaders within Atomy. I will provide you with an equus, and I actually did. I'll give you 1 billion Korean won in cash if you become an Imperial Master. I've been saying the same old story for the past 10 years that I'll provide 1 billion Korean won in cash on a forklift because I really can't carry it. Did anything happen eventually after 10 years? We most certainly need to dream in earnest. Which house you'll choose to live in when you succeed, and which car you'll drive. That you'll become an Imperial Master who earns 0.1 billion Korean won per month. You need to formulate a vivid dream in your mind, just like a film. Vivid dreams certainly will come true. This is the first step towards success.